Hook, have you ever encountered a piece of information that just didn't compute? Something so outlandish, so utterly unbelievable that your brain immediately screams, "That can't be true." Yet the world is full of such paradoxes, facts that sound like they belong in a fictional novel, but are, in fact, undeniable truths. From the depths of the ocean to the annals of ancient history, reality often proves stranger and far more fascinating than any fiction we could conjure. Prepare to have your mind stretched, your assumptions shattered, and your curiosity ignited as we unveil 10 astonishing facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew. Get ready for a journey into the truly unbelievable but undeniably real. Fact 1. The three-hearted hunter. Imagine an animal with not one, not two, but three beating hearts. It sounds like something from an alien planet, doesn't it? Yet this incredible creature thrives in our very own oceans. We're talking about the octopus. Two of its hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through its gills, ensuring a constant supply of oxygen for respiration. The third, larger heart circulates blood to the rest of its body. This unique cardiovascular system allows octopuses to maintain high activity levels in their often oxygen-poor environments, making them formidable hunters and escape artists of the deep. It's a biological marvel that truly highlights the diverse and often bizarre adaptations found in nature. Fact 2. Honey's eternal shelf life. For centuries, humanity has sought the secret to eternal preservation. But what if we told you that one of nature's most delicious creations already holds that secret? Honey. That's right, honey. Archaeologists exploring ancient Egyptian tombs have unearthed pots of honey dating back thousands of years, and astonishingly, it's still perfectly edible. The secret lies in its unique chemical composition. It's low in water, high in sugar, and acidic. These properties create an environment where bacteria and other microorganisms simply cannot survive or thrive. So, next time you reach for that jar of honey in your pantry, remember, you might be holding a foodstuff that could outlast civilizations. Fact 3. Guillotines and galactic wars. Now for a truly jarring juxtaposition of time. Consider this. The last execution by guillotine in France occurred in 1977. Let that sink in for a moment. What else was happening in 1977? Well, a little film called Star Wars, Episode IV, A New Hope, was released in cinemas, captivating audiences worldwide with its futuristic battles and distant galaxies. The same year that Luke Skywalker was gazing at Tatooine's twin suns, France was still employing a method of execution that became infamous during the French Revolution. It's a stark reminder of how rapidly technology and societal norms can evolve, creating these bizarre overlaps where ancient practices linger into surprisingly modern eras. Fact 4. Oxford's ancient roots. When we think of ancient civilizations, the mighty Aztec Empire often comes to mind, with its sophisticated cities and complex social structures, flourishing from the 14th to the 16th centuries. Now, consider one of the world's most prestigious academic institutions, Oxford University. Which do you think is older? If you guessed Oxford, you'd be correct, and by a significant margin. Teaching at Oxford can be traced back as far as 1096, with formal establishment in the 12th century. The Aztec capital of Tenochtitlan, by contrast, was founded in 1325. This incredible timeline reveals that students were debating philosophy and science in Oxford's halls long before the Great Pyramids of the Aztec Empire were even conceived. Fact 5. Wombat's cube-shaped clues. Nature's ingenuity knows no bounds, but sometimes it takes a truly unexpected turn. Take the humble wombat, an adorable marsupial native to Australia. These nocturnal burrowers have a rather peculiar claim to fame. They produce cube-shaped droppings. Yes, you heard that right, perfectly square poop. While it sounds like a practical joke, it's a genuine biological phenomenon. Scientists believe this unique shape helps the wombat mark its territory more effectively, as the cubes are less likely to roll away from uneven surfaces. It's a testament to the fact that even the most mundane biological functions can hold surprising secrets and ingenious adaptations. Fact 6. Orcas, dolphins in disguise. Often referred to as killer whales, these apex predators of the ocean strike fear and awe into the hearts of many. With their immense size, intelligence, and hunting prowess, They seem to stand alone in the marine world. But here's a fact that might surprise you. Killer whales are not actually whales at all, at least not in the traditional sense. They are, in fact, the largest species of dolphin. Belonging to the oceanic dolphin family, Orcinus orca shares more in common genetically with smaller dolphins than with the great whales. This reclassification highlights the intricate and sometimes counterintuitive relationships within the animal kingdom, proving that appearances can often be deceiving. Fact 7. Mauna Kea's hidden height. When we talk about the tallest mountains, Mount Everest immediately comes to mind, towering over the Himalayas at 8,848 meters above sea level. But what if we told you there's a mountain that, from its true base, is significantly taller? That mountain is Mauna Kea in Hawaii. While only 4,207 meters are visible above the Pacific Ocean, its colossal structure extends another 6,000 meters beneath the waves. Measured from its oceanic base to its summit, Mauna Kea stands at an astounding 10,210 meters, making it the tallest mountain on Earth. It's a powerful reminder that our perspective often dictates what we perceive as reality, and sometimes the biggest truths are hidden beneath the surface. Fact 8. The 38-minute war. History is filled with epic battles and protracted conflicts that span years, even decades. But what about a war that lasted less than an hour? Believe it or not, the Anglo-Zanzibar War holds the record for the shortest documented war in history, clocking in at a mere 38 minutes. It occurred on August 27, 1896, between the United Kingdom and the Sultanate of Zanzibar. The conflict erupted after the pro-British Sultan Hamid bin Thuwaini died and was succeeded by Sultan Khalid bin Bargash, who was not favored by the British. When Khalid refused to step down, the British Royal Navy bombarded the Sultan's palace, ending the war almost as soon as it began. 38 minutes. A blink of an eye in geopolitical terms. Fact 9. Cleopatra's Greek roots. When we picture Cleopatra, the iconic last pharaoh of ancient Egypt, we often imagine her as a quintessential Egyptian queen, perhaps with dark hair and exotic features. However, the true story of her lineage is far more complex and surprising. Cleopatra VII Philopator, to give her full name, was actually of Greek Macedonian descent. She was a member of the Ptolemaic dynasty, a Hellenistic royal family that ruled Egypt for nearly 3 centuries after Alexander the Great's conquest. While she embraced Egyptian customs and was the only Ptolemaic ruler to learn the Egyptian language, her ancestry firmly places her as a descendant of Greek generals, not native Egyptians. A fascinating twist in the tale of one of history's most famous figures. Fact 10. The berry that isn't a berry and the fruit that is. Our final mind-bending fact delves into the surprising world of botany, specifically how we classify fruits. What if we told you that, botanically speaking, a banana is a berry, but a strawberry isn't? And an apple isn't either. It sounds counterintuitive, but it's true. In botanical terms, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary, containing many seeds. Bananas fit this description. Strawberries, on the other hand, are aggregate fruits. They develop from multiple ovaries of a single flower. Now, for the real kicker. The mighty pineapple is actually a multiple fruit, formed from the fusion of many individual flowers, each producing its own fruitlet, all coalescing into one large, sweet structure. So next time you're at the grocery store, you might look at your fruit basket in an entirely new light. Conclusion. From the 3 hearts of an octopus to the square droppings of a wombat, and from a 38-minute war to the surprising ancestry of Cleopatra, the world is a tapestry woven with facts that defy our initial understanding. These are not mere trivia. They are windows into the incredible complexity and often humorous ironies of our universe. They challenge us to look beyond the obvious, to question our assumptions, and to embrace the sheer wonder of discovery. What other unbelievable but true facts have you encountered? Share your most mind-blowing discoveries in the comments below, and let's continue to explore the endless marvels that make our world such an astonishing place. Stay curious, because reality is often far more imaginative than anything we can invent.